Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new, welcome to Art by Jennifer. This week we're going to do a paint pour using the bottom of a soda bottle, so a bottle bottom pour. And I'm going to do it on a 12 by 12 canvas, and I'm going to use the colors Flesh and Phthalo Blue and Payne's Gray. All of these are going to be Premier paints. If you want to see how it's done, stick around and let's do this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my white. This is just the regular mix that I use, which is Artist Loft's white paint with 2 parts Floetrol and a little bit of water to get it to be the thickness that I want it to be. And we're just going to put some of this on the canvas just to get it started. And this is just going to help my paint move better later when I actually put the paint down on here. Make sure again to get to your corners. Your corners are important. You can choose to do this part with the spatula like I'm doing, or you can do it with your hands. It's completely up to you as to how you want to do it. Make sure you get the sides as well. All right, so once you've gotten your paint down, sort the little air bubbles that are in it. Get rid of any air bubbles that you see. And then we'll get ready to place our bottle bottom. So I want it in the center. That's where I want it to start. Not centered. There. And then you pour from there. I'm going to start with my Payne's Gray. My paints are a little thicker, just so that I can make sure that it holds its color instead of mixing so much. Let's start with the Payne's Gray. And then I'm gonna go blue, and then I'm gonna go pink. Or better yet, I'll go pink and then I'll go blue. So now we'll pick it up and give it a moment to let a little bit more run down, and then we'll pick it up. And let it run back toward the center. Guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And so I think I might move it, but before I move it, I want to try a little bit of line work. I'm not really somebody who draws so much, but I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna bring some of this blue into the center.
Can make me
I love this design already. I almost don't want to move it. Okay, so I'm gonna try and see if I can't get it to keep most of its shape, but go in a little bit of a swirl.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear.
I like it. I wanted to keep more of the part that was created by the bottom of the bottle. However, the line work in it is really, really pretty. Let me see if I can't bring some more of that blue back into the center. So guys, I think today's painting turned out absolutely amazing. I love the colors. I love what you can do with the bottoms of the bottles. It's one of those things where you may see it turning out one way and it turns out something completely different, but I absolutely love it. I love the veining in the canvas itself. The paint's great. It was my first time working with it, and I'm looking and I find that it can be a little overpowering if you let it, but I absolutely love the way that it plays with the flesh and the phthalo blue that I used. Guys, let me know what you think of today's painting. Let me know if you think I could have done anything differently, or if there's something that you guys want to see me do. Let me know, respond in the comments. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the bell so you can get notifications of when I do different videos. Hopefully, normally I put out a video on every Sunday, but soon I should be able to put them out more often. But anyway, let me know what you guys think of this video, and until next time, thanks for watching. Bye!